What does 500 million get you in Osapa? Hi guys, welcome once again to our channel. My name is V as usual, and I'm here to show you this very lovely 5-bedroom house. It has a pool, it has a cinema, it has a gym, it has very lovely contemporary design. Let's tour this house together. Let's start with the grounds. Now, you can see the automated sliding gate, the modern carport, the green astroturf. You can see the grounds, this parking space that can park up to 5 cars, and the landscaping that shapes around the building. Over here, we have the pool side, and you have this nice green area. So this is the L-shaped pool. It goes all the way around to the back. Now let's continue the rest of the tour inside the house. Now this house has a pivot door, as you can see. It's beautifully tall, and here you have the guest toilet. Now this is the double volume living area with the beautiful light piece right in the center. Over here you have the dining area. You could use this as your dining area. It has the sliding door beside it that overlooks the pool. Welcome to the kitchen. This is where all the cooking is done. Now this kitchen is very nice. I really love it because it has very modern appliances throughout. Now the appliances here, we have the Ariston appliances, the 4-burner gas, the 4-burner induction hob. We have the heat extractor. We have the Ariston microwave and oven here. And here you have the double door refrigerator. This is an Electrolux brand. Now in this kitchen, most of the cabinets are pressed to open, just like this. And you have lots of cabinet spaces like this, soft close cabinets. You have the pull-out bin over here. That's a nice touch. And the Italian sink. So you have the double sink there and the single one here. Over here we have a magic corner. This is really beautiful. So you have lots of storage in this kitchen. And here you have your laundry corner, which already has an Ariston washing machine for all your laundry needs here. This is your kitchen organizer. You can put in your cutleries and carefully organize them to showcase them. Over there is the CCTV camera that captures and covers this area. So the layout of this 5-bedroom is that on the ground floor you have the living area, you have the kitchen, you have the BQ which is in the back. You have one of the bedrooms on the ground floor over here. So that's bedroom number 1. Now, every space in this home can be carefully utilized. just like this space beneath the stairs. You can use it for extra storage. You can beautify it in a very nice way, or it can be your kids' play area. It's also perfect for a wine cellar. Now, before we continue the rest of the tour, I've told you that we have the living area here and the kitchen and one bedroom. Now, on the middle floor, we have 3 bedrooms. We have the box room, we have the gym, and on the last floor, we have the primary bedroom, which is the 5th bedroom, and we have the cinema and rooftop terrace. So let's continue the tour. Welcome to the family lounge. That's a beautiful central light piece, and you get the full effect of it right here from the family lounge. What I just did there was show you how the layout of this house has been thoughtfully and beautifully designed. So the balcony there leads all the way to this bedroom. This is one of the bedrooms. This could be your second primary bedroom because it is quite large. This is your gym room. Now, if you've seen some of our previous videos, I like to test out, amenities for my clients. So let's test this one out for you. Just kidding. So this is another of the bedrooms on this floor. This is bedroom number 3 that I'm showing you in this video. Right here is bedroom number 4. Now, isn't this house huge? I've shown you so many spaces here, but we haven't seen it all. We still have the last floor on this tour. So let's continue. Before we go into the primary bedroom, let me show you the cinema. So this is the cinema. It's completely soundproof and it has the projector right here. The screen is already in place and all you need is your cinema chairs. So grab your popcorn and get ready for movie time. Hi, welcome to your primary bedroom. This is a spacious primary bedroom. It has its own balcony and it has primary bathroom and a walk-in closet. Let me show you around. So this is the equally spacious primary bathroom. It has this nice modern tub. It has this huge and very tall walk-in shower with all the beautiful fixtures and the long drain for ease of water movement. Now over here, we have the vanity, which will have the sink. It's going to have a double his and hers sink, which has not been put in place yet, but it will come in real soon. So you have your urinary here and the wall hanging water closet. Now a nice touch is this long drain here, so you don't have to worry about spilling water around your bathroom. Now over here we have the walk-in closet. All this space for your clothing, your shoes, and all your possessions. Now this walk-in closet is very nicely made. Zoom into it, you will see how nice walk-in is. And so it has this beautiful glass, which when it is lit is a wonder to behold. This is the rooftop terrace. The views from up here is really nice. I don't know about you, what do you like to do from your rooftop terrace? As for me, I like to rubberneck on my neighbors. Just kidding! This has been a tour of a 5-bedroom, fully detached house in Osapa, London, Lekki, on the market for 500 million naira. It's V of Archer Contracting Real Estate. Thank you for watching.